Hello,
Hi Varshini.
what are we going to see today?
Today we are going to discuss about 2 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 2. From this equation we are going to find x. This is very tricky, which we are going to solve very easy steps. Let's get into the video for detailed steps. We are adding 2 power x equal to x to the power of 2. Here we are adding 2 power x 1 by in the power x dot, that means into 2 equal to, we are going to add this value in the both the side, x to the power of 2 1 by x into 2. Once it is done, this x and this x will be get cancelled. Same way this 2 and this 2 will be get cancelled. Here 2 power 1 dot 1 by 2 we can write as like this, equal to x to the power of 1 by x this 1 can be written as 2 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to x to the power of 1 by x. Now this 2 and this 2 will be get multiplied, which means 2 into 1 by 4 equal to x to the power of 1 by x. This 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 1 by 4 equal to x to the power of x. Now this 1 by 4, the x equal to replaced by 4, this x also replaced by 4. So therefore x equal to 4. That's the answer.